I feel at peace with myself. I find it easy and natural to be happy. I enjoy discovering something new. I choose healthy options for my mind and body. When anxious thoughts come to me, I acknowledge them, then let them float on by. I am faithful to my loved ones. I find gratitude in every experience. My life is abundant in happiness and joy. I encourage my friends to share my happiness. I create my own life every day and I work hard to create a life full of growth and expansion. I focus on my blessings, goals, and memories. Happiness is my friend, companion, and ally. Today, I do what feels good to me. My presence is my power. I trust the wisdom of my body. I am deeply fulfilled by what I do. I am guided by infinite wisdom in all matters. I feel the energy flow through me when I wake up in the morning. I am at peace with myself and with the world. I believe in the importance of my dreams. My power is on the inside. What did I say? I'm going to try to do these affirmations every day, daily. What did I say? I said I wanted to do affirmations every single day. I'm all in. Show up for yourself. I cannot express enough. On the hardest days, that's when you gotta press the most. On the days where you got this cloud over your head, that's when you have to press the most. It's hard, it's draining, it's tiring, it's exhausting. But the benefits on the other side is insurmountable. You may not feel it in the moment, but those after effects, man. Consistency is my biggest 2025 resolution. 2024 was discipline, just plainly doing it when you don't feel like it. Consistency mixed with discipline, you're not always going to feel the motivation. But consistency produces results. Slow motion is still motion. Life isn't linear, but when it goes down, press, push, move yourself, encourage yourself, tell yourself you can do it, you're worthy, you're capable, you deserve it because you do. You owe it to yourself. Keep going, keep pressing, keep moving forward. And you're going to see the results on the other side. You're going to see what consistency can produce. You're going to see the fruits of your labor. Promise you that.